Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing great. Your preparations are coming along great and you're following our news section and all of our videos on our channel. So guys, आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे स्पेशलाइजेशन के बारे में जो कि currently बहुत ज़्यादा in demand है by organizations, by students, by everyone. A lot of colleges are trying to get this course in their colleges for students. एंड जितने भी कॉलेजेस ये कोर्स ऑफर करते हैं दे आर गेटिंग अमेजिंग अट्रैक्शन फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स. तो ये कोर्स है बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स. यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉल इट डेटा एनालिटिक्स एंड a few other names also, but basically analytics and business analytics because it is MBA, right? तो इसके बारे में हम आज सब कुछ पढ़ेंगे कि ये स्पेशलाइजेशन क्या है, why is it so in demand, why is it the need of the hour, what kind of career options can you get, what are the best colleges if you want to pursue an MBA in business analytics, so on and so forth. So without wasting any time, let's just start discussing everything you need to know about business analytics. So first of all, as you can see here, MBA in Business Analytics is a discipline in which students are taught how to create business strategies based on data. So as we all know, MBA is about business strategies, and for finance, for marketing, for HR, you need to have a lot of strategies for everything. Similarly, data के basis पे आप business strategies कैसे बनाओगे? That is what MBA in Business Analytics teaches you. Students learn how to process and read large amounts of data to generate results and provide real world solutions and strategies for the growth of a business. तो जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो सीखते हैं कि बहुत लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा को कैसे प्रोसेस करना है, कैसे रीड करना है और उसके बेसिस पे आपको रिजल्ट जनरेट करने हैं which will provide real world solutions and strategies for the growth of a business. So this is basically what MBA in Business Analytics is. Now, what does MBA in Business Analytics course teach? तो यहाँ पे कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. जरूरी नहीं है कि ये ही सारे सब्जेक्ट्स हों, but this is just a broad understanding of what kind of subjects you're going to study. Financial accounting, risk management, data modeling, big data analytics, financial analysis, predictive analysis, computational methods, data mining, statistical analysis, business intelligence, optimization analysis and simulation modeling. तो ये सारे जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, यू कैन सी 12 सब्जेक्ट्स दिए हैं, ये कुछ ही सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस अडैप्ट डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ टीचिंग और बहुत सारे दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स भी होते हैं, बट ये बेसिकली है जो हर कॉलेज अपने कोर्स में इनकलकेट करता ही है. इसके अलावा भी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सब्जेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं और कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो कॉमन होते हैं जो आपको पढ़ने ही पड़ेंगे अबाउट HR, मार्केटिंग एंड फाइनेंस के, तो उसमें काफी सारे सब्जेक्ट्स दिए हैं. तो ये बेसिकली चीजें हैं जो आपको पढ़नी पड़ेंगी अगर आप बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं और परस्यू करते हैं अपना MBA इस फील्ड में. Now, what are the industries that are using data analytics? As you can see here, there are 15 industries: telecom, IT, manufacturing, healthcare, so on and so forth, till even government and NGOs. So I will not get into the details. आप इस स्लाइड को पॉज कर सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं कि almost every single industry, healthcare, banking, consulting, automobile, airlines, every single industry is using data analytics. And honestly guys, data analytics is the need of the hour. And especially अब तो क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें वर्चुअल हो गई हैं, तो everything depends on data and all these industries are using data analytics. तो अगर आप business analytics में MBA करते हैं तो आपको इन सारी इंडस्ट्रीज में काम करने का मौका मिल सकता है. You can get opportunities to work with any of these industries and even beyond this. तो ये आप पॉज करके बाद में देखिएगा आराम से और इसके बारे में रिसर्च करिएगा. Now we'll move on to the most important part. What are the 15 best colleges for MBA in data analytics? I will not get into the details because it will take a lot of time, but let me just quickly cover all of this. IIM Bangalore 2-year course है, CAT के थ्रू एडमिशन होता है. IIM Calcutta 2 years course है, CAT के थ्रू एडमिशन है. ISB Hyderabad 1 year course है, merit and at least 2 years of work experience. Great Lakes है, SCMHRD पुणे है. SCMHRD पुणे का बहुत अमेजिंग है बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स. इफ यू कैन सी कि IIMs और ISB के साथ में it is featuring in the top 5. This means this college is doing really great. And also Great Lakes Institute of Management is also doing amazingly well in the business analytics course, जो कि इनका 1 year course है, weekend executive MBA program है. इसमें भी it's doing really great. Moving on to the next slide, the next 5 colleges are Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management, New Delhi; NMIMS Mumbai and Bangalore; EMPI New Delhi; Wellington Institute, IIM Calcutta, ISI Kolkata and IIT Kharagpur का तीनों का मिला के एक common program है. The last 5 are SCIT, that is Symbiosis Center for Information Technology; School of Management Studies, University of Hyderabad; Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management, Kerala; NL Dalmia, Mumbai; Loyola Institute of Business Administration, Chennai. So these are the top 15 B schools for MBA in Business Analytics. So apart from all this, we've read what are the subjects you're going to study. Mostly 2 year full-time course hota hai. Aapko kya, what exactly is business analytics, so on and so forth. What are the industries jahan pe business analytics use ho raha hai. Lastly, what are the 15 career opportunities after PGDM and business analytics? Data scientist, business analyst, market research analyst, you can go through the entire list. I will not read out every single name because it's going to take a lot of time. You can pause the slide here and go through every single one of these, and then you can understand for yourself that if you pursue an MBA in business analytics, what are the opportunities that you can get as an MBA from business analytics. So guys, as I already said in the beginning, business analytics or data analytics is the need of the hour. And mostly this course expects people to have at least 2 years of work experience in most colleges. So it is a very good course for anybody who's still working or has worked for some time in the industry. So I hope all of you are going to apply for this course. अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा तो please like करिए and subscribe to CAD King and press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any important information. I'll see you soon again with another news. Until then, stay motivated, stay updated, and all the very best.